Well, good morning, folks. We made it to the job site, and the guys are already here. They've taken 2 signs down. Went quick. I was late getting here, so it's kind of crazy. We got this old iconic sign down, City Spring. Do something. I hired my young fellas to do this for me and take it down. We're gonna reuse it at our shop. And this old building, if it could talk, would be a pile of memories. This would be such an awesome hot rod shop. But anyway, I didn't know it was for sale when it was for sale. But what a great building, you know. I wish no parking here, no, not for hot rods, but you can see you had this building all done up. You know, Heritage Brothers on it with turquoise and orange, and out across, and all refaced, new garage doors, and all cleaned up. You know, hot rods parked across the front. Man, I'm dreaming now, ain't I? Anyway, yeah, you know, and all this garage area in the back. It's a neat old building. Very neat old building. Lots of history. Flat roof there. Like you said, it'd be a phenomenal hot rod shop. So they got the sign. Most people know me. My 2 sons are journeyman linemen. They've been running bucket trucks for a number of years. I kind of grew up in it like myself. Anyway, they work, they do some storm restoration work with this company here, GSD, and they'll rent their trucks to go do some odd work here and there. And like I said, in my case, they're doing this sign work, so they do some sign work and they do some pole barn work and stuff like that. And they're also mechanic apprentices that actually are about to challenge their tickets here. So pretty neat to have 2 young fellas that are out there, you know, journeyman linemen, and then they're going to be ticketed mechanics. So, you know, the industry and all those fields need people. So, well, yeah. Let's see in slow motion. Pretty neat signs, eh? Hey, we'll call it City Spring, and we'll go in a bottle of water. Yes. Pretty neat though, really. It's okay if it stays up on the fender some if it has to. Okay.
They're not heavy, they're just awkward.
You'd think they'd be a lot heavier, wouldn't you?
Yeah, well, you have to think they have to hold on to the building.
Yeah.
It was literally 2 bolts in the leg.
So that's her in a nutshell, folks. We Heritage Brothers, we do a little bit of other things. We do well, in this case we're protecting an iconic piece of, as far as I'm concerned, memorabilia from back in the day. And like I said, it's a testament of times that have gone by, and you know, this town, this city's got a great history, probably with you know, city spring service. I know growing up I did as well, and yeah, I hate to see this get wasted, and so we'll see what we can come up with. Maybe it'll go up in one piece on the side of my building somewhere, and pay homage to days gone by and people that worked hard, made things happen. So, well, thanks, Reece, and I'll thank your brother when you get home, and we'll see what happens with this. Take care and talk soon, folks.